Hello everyone. Today I will talk about that how you can build a winning website for your e-commerce store. Pillar number 1. Define your goals. Clearly define your business goals and what you want to achieve with your e-commerce website. Pillar number 2. Choose a domain name. Select a memorable and relevant domain name for your website. And you have to ensure that it should reflect your brand and is easy for the customers to remember as well. Pillar number 3. Optimize for SEO. For SEO optimization, you have to implement on-page SEO practices to improve your website visibility on search engines. Use relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and create a sitemap as well. This will help drive organic traffic to your site. Pillar number 4. Implement responsive design. You have to make sure your website is responsive across various devices and screen sizes. This is critical for providing a positive user experience and can impact your search engine rankings. At last, if you enjoyed this video, smash that follow and like button, and plus leave a comment below with your ideas for future content as well. I did love to hear from you. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.